Welcome to Tech Whisper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the rank function to show the positions of students in an examination. Also, I will show you how to add comments or remarks to show if a student passed or not. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Previously, I did a video on how to calculate the total score of students in an examination and also to compute the average score obtained by them in the examination. Check the description of this video to get the link to the previous video. Now we are going to compute their positions based on their averages. Create a new heading with the name position, and then we are going to use the rank function to compute their positions. Now, using the formula bar, we are going to type equal to rank open bracket I2 because the average of the first student is in cell I2. That's why we are typing I2. So I2 comma $sign I $2. We use that $sign there to be more specific because the first data is in I2. Okay, so you now type in colon $sign I $sign 8 because the last average score is in cell I8. When once you do that, Excel will automatically select all the average scores of the students. Close the brackets and then press enter on the keyboard, and then automatically you will see the position of the first students. Now the next thing to do is to click on the fill handle and drag down to where you have the last record, and automatically Excel will fill in their positions. And the first position here has an average score of 85.8. 85.8 is actually the highest average score here, and it's two persons that have the same score, the same average. So we have two first positions. The last position here is 7th because the average score is 46.2, which is actually the lowest average score we have. Let's add comments to show either pass or fail. We're going to create a new heading with the name Remark. I'm going to add these comments based on the average scores of the students. So I'm going to select cell K2, which contains the record of the first student, and then head over to the formula bar and type equal to if. You're going to use the if statement, which is a conditional or logical statement to add the comment. So if open brackets I2, because the average score of the first student is in cell I2. So you type I2 is greater than or equals to 50.0, comma, open quotation, pass, close the quotation. That is, if the score is greater than or equals to 50.0, it should display pass. Okay, now, comma, open quotation, fail, close quotation, and then close the bracket. That is, if the score is less than 50.0, it should display fail. If you check the formula again, you see we have equal to if open bracket I2 is greater than or equals to 50.0, comma, open quotation, pass, close quotation, comma, open quotation, fail, close quotation, and close the bracket. Now if you hit the enter key on the keyboard, you see the system will print a comment based on the average score of the student. Now in this case we have fail because the average score is 49.4, which is not up to 50.0. Now select the first comment, click on the fill handle and drag down to comment on the other results. If you check, you'll see that two students actually failed because their average scores are below 50.0. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.